I'm Aldo Agostinelli, Digital Director for Sky in Italy. What I try to do is to join, to match data with storytelling and creativity. So both of them can build a successful business. Turn made Sky an amazing job. We were able to build a sort of own architecture to have different custom audiences, to serve different creativity. We try to keep our customers interested, to make them more engaged with our brand. We are able to gather information with third-party data, authorized from, of course, privacy policy, and we could build 22 custom audiences to talk the right content to the right audience. I'm excited because last July we have started to run programmatic advertising. 70% of our branding advertising is run on programmatic through Turn DSP. That's the power of Turn.